Welcome to Cognitia Podcast.
Welcome to the Cognitia Podcast, where we explore enterprise transformation, digital innovation, and the strategies shaping the future of global business. In today's episode, we're diving into a critical and highly relevant topic: scaling GCC productivity through AI-led workforce models. As global capability centers continue to evolve from cost-focused delivery units into innovation-driven strategic hubs, organizations are facing a new challenge. How to scale productivity, improve efficiency, and deliver greater business value in an increasingly complex digital landscape. At the center of this transformation lies a well-defined GCC productivity strategy, powered by artificial intelligence and intelligent workforce models. Let's begin by understanding how the role of GCCs has evolved over time. Traditionally, GCCs were established with a primary focus on cost optimization. They were designed to handle standardized processes, IT support, and operational tasks at scale. Their success was measured by efficiency metrics, cost savings, and service delivery performance. However, over the last decade, the expectations from GCCs have shifted dramatically. Today, GCCs are expected to drive innovation, support digital transformation, and contribute directly to business growth. They are no longer just execution centers, they are centers of excellence. Modern GCCs are deeply involved in advanced capabilities such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, cybersecurity, DevOps, and digital product engineering. This shift has significantly increased the complexity of operations within GCCs. Organizations now expect faster delivery, higher quality, continuous innovation, and the ability to scale operations seamlessly. But here's the challenge. Traditional workforce models are not designed to handle this level of complexity and scale. Manual processes, fragmented systems, and siloed teams limit productivity and slow down execution. This is where AI-led workforce models come into play. AI-led workforce models represent a new way of structuring work, where artificial intelligence is embedded into everyday processes to enhance efficiency and decision-making. These models enable organizations to automate repetitive tasks, optimize workflows, and augment human capabilities. For example, in IT operations, AI can continuously monitor systems, detect anomalies, and resolve issues proactively, often without human intervention. In customer support, AI-powered chatbots can handle a large volume of routine queries, allowing human agents to focus on complex and high-value interactions. In finance, AI can automate invoice processing, detect anomalies in transactions, and generate real-time financial insights. These capabilities significantly reduce manual effort and improve overall productivity. However, the real value of AI lies not just in automation, but in augmentation. AI enhances human capabilities by providing insights, recommendations, and decision support. It enables employees to focus on strategic tasks such as problem-solving, innovation, and customer engagement. This shift from manual work to value-driven work is at the core of a modern GCC productivity strategy. Now, let's explore the key pillars required to successfully scale productivity through AI-led workforce models. The first pillar is technology enablement. Organizations must invest in the right AI tools and platforms to support automation and intelligent decision-making. This includes machine learning models, natural language processing tools, data analytics platforms, and robotic process automation systems. But simply adopting technology is not enough. Organizations must ensure that these tools are integrated into existing systems and workflows. A fragmented technology landscape can limit the effectiveness of AI initiatives. The second pillar is process transformation. Organizations must redesign their workflows to fully leverage AI capabilities. This involves identifying tasks that can be automated, eliminating redundancies, and streamlining operations. For example, instead of multiple layers of manual approvals, AI can be used to automate decision-making based on predefined rules and data inputs. This reduces delays and improves efficiency. Process transformation also involves adopting agile methodologies that enable faster iteration and continuous improvement. The third pillar is workforce transformation. Employees must be equipped with the skills required to work effectively in an AI-driven environment. This includes both technical and non-technical skills. On the technical side, employees need to understand how to use AI tools, interpret data insights, and manage automated workflows. On the non-technical side, skills such as critical thinking, collaboration, and adaptability become increasingly important. Organizations must invest in structured upskilling programs that focus on building these capabilities. These programs should include hands-on training, real-world projects, and continuous learning opportunities. Another critical aspect of workforce transformation is creating a culture of innovation. Employees must be encouraged to experiment with new technologies, explore new ideas, and continuously improve their skills. This culture of innovation drives engagement and enables organizations to stay ahead of the curve. Now, let's talk about human-AI collaboration. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that it replaces human workers. In reality, the most effective workforce models are those that combine human expertise with AI capabilities. AI excels at processing large volumes of data, identifying patterns, and automating repetitive tasks. Humans excel at creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. When these strengths are combined, organizations can achieve significantly higher levels of productivity and innovation. For example, in software development, AI can assist with code generation, testing, and debugging. This allows developers to focus on architecture, design, and complex problem-solving. In marketing, AI can analyze customer data and generate content, while marketers focus on strategy and storytelling. This collaborative approach creates a powerful synergy that drives business outcomes. Scaling AI-led workforce models across GCCs requires a structured approach. The first step is identifying high-impact use cases. Organizations must focus on areas where AI can deliver measurable value. These could include process automation, customer experience enhancement, data analytics, and operational optimization. Once these use cases are identified, organizations can develop pilot projects to test and refine their approach. Pilot projects help validate the effectiveness of AI solutions and identify potential challenges. Successful pilots can then be scaled across the organization. Another important factor is governance. AI introduces new risks, including data privacy concerns, bias, and compliance challenges. Organizations must establish governance frameworks to ensure responsible AI usage. This includes defining policies, monitoring AI outputs, and ensuring transparency in decision-making. Performance measurement is also essential. Organizations must define clear metrics to evaluate the success of AI initiatives. These metrics could include productivity improvements, cost savings, turnaround time reduction, and quality enhancements. By tracking these metrics, organizations can demonstrate the value of their AI investments. Data plays a critical role in AI-led workforce models. AI systems rely on data to function effectively. Organizations must ensure that data is accurate, accessible, and well-governed. This requires strong data management practices, including data quality control, integration, and security. Without high-quality data, AI systems cannot deliver reliable results. Another key driver of success is leadership. Leaders play a crucial role in driving AI adoption and workforce transformation. They must set a clear vision, align AI initiatives with business goals, and create a culture that supports innovation. Leaders must also address resistance to change. AI adoption often requires significant changes in how work is done. Employees may feel uncertain about these changes. Effective communication and change management strategies are essential to address these concerns. Organizations must involve employees in the transformation process and clearly communicate the benefits of AI. As organizations continue to grow, scalability becomes increasingly important. AI-led workforce models enable organizations to scale operations efficiently. For example, AI systems can handle large volumes of tasks without requiring additional resources. This allows organizations to scale without increasing costs proportionally. Looking ahead, the role of GCCs will continue to evolve. They will play a central role in driving innovation, developing new technologies, and supporting global business operations. To succeed in this environment, organizations must adopt AI-led workforce models and build a strong GCC productivity strategy. Ultimately, the goal is to create a workforce that is agile, efficient, and capable of adapting to change. A workforce that can leverage AI to deliver better outcomes and drive business growth. Organizations that achieve this will gain a significant competitive advantage. They will be able to innovate faster, operate more efficiently, and respond to market changes more effectively. On the other hand, organizations that fail to adopt AI may struggle to keep pace with technological advancements. They may face inefficiencies, skill gaps, and challenges in delivering value. The message is clear: AI is not just a tool. It is a fundamental shift in how work is done. And organizations must act now to stay ahead. Thank you for joining us for this episode of the Cognitia podcast. If your organization is looking to scale productivity, adopt AI-led workforce models, and accelerate digital transformation, explore Cognitia's enterprise learning and workforce transformation solutions. Until next time, stay innovative, stay adaptive, and keep transforming the future of work.